In a vibrant jungle, there lived a chatty toucan named Tico. Tico was known for his colorful plumage and his even more colorful conversations. He loved to talk, and he loved to talk a lot. One day, while Tico was chattering away, he noticed a small bird with a broken wing, hidden in the shadows. The little bird could not fly and was struggling to survive. Tico, being the talkative one, had never noticed the small bird before. Feeling a pang of sympathy, Tico approached the little bird and asked, "Why do you not fly, my friend?" The little bird replied, "I have a broken wing, and I cannot fly. I have been here for days, unable to find food or shelter." Tico, who had never thought about the struggles of others, felt a sudden realization. He realized that while he spent his days talking, he had been neglecting the world around him. He vowed to help the little bird and make amends for his carelessness. Tico returned to his home and gathered food and shelter for the little bird. He brought it back to the spot where he had found the little bird and cared for it until it could fly again. The little bird, grateful for Tico's help, asked, "Why did you help me, Tico? You are known for your talk, not your actions." Tico replied, "I realized that talk is cheap, and action is what truly matters. From now on, I will not just talk about helping others, but I will take action and make a difference." The little bird, now healed and able to fly, flew away, leaving Tico with a newfound sense of purpose. From that day on, Tico devoted his days to helping others, and he became a true friend to all the animals in the jungle. And so, the moral of the story is this: talk is cheap, but action is what truly matters. Always take the time to help others and make a difference in the world around you.